Well, the National Weather Service is now reporting at least 6 tornadoes hit the state on Sunday.
An EF2 covered 39 miles in Delaware, Blackford, and Jay counties before crossing over into Ohio. In Muncie, an EF1 touched down, but the National Weather Service says most of the damage there was done by straight-line winds. Now, in southern Indiana, there was an EF1 near Springville and 3 tornadoes near Salem. And we have some dramatic video of some of the damage from around the state.
Yeah, Carlos is here with more on that. Carlos, you know, one thing to see it on the radar, to see us tracking it, but to actually survey the damage, pretty incredible.
Yeah, and when you can put a drone up and you can get above that damage, it's really bad. And as you guys mentioned, there were at least 6 tornadoes that hit parts of Indiana on Sunday. You can see the different areas, both north and south. Now, that number could increase as the National Weather Service continues to survey the damage. Let's walk you through some of this damage. There was a brief EF1 tornado in Muncie, but straight-line winds did a lot of the damage there in that area as well. The storm, look at that, it ripped a 20-foot portion of the roof off of the Muncie field house. Bricks then fell from the roof, hit a water line inside, filling the field house with water. Look at this. Here's the Muncie Central football field. The metal scoreboard bent back like it's made of plastic. Look at that. That's a metal scoreboard. Muncie Community Schools posted a message on Facebook saying, power has been restored to all of our schools except for the Longfellow Elementary. All schools will be open Tuesday except for Longfellow Elementary. Now here's damage from Jay County. This EF2 tornado was the largest and stayed on the ground the longest for more than an hour. It traveled almost 40 miles through Blackburn and Jay counties before heading out into Ohio. It could have been much worse in southern Indiana, where 4 tornadoes hit, one in Springville, northwest of Bedford. 3 tornadoes hit in and around Salem. Luckily, we haven't heard of anyone who was hurt. Most of the storm was actually 100 feet above the ground, and that's why taller structures were hit in Washington County.
Hit the grist mill, hit this building here, came down on the diner. I'm glad no one was hurt or killed.
I mean, you see that damage right there on the diner. It looks pretty bad right there. Coming up next hour, when you see standing water in the road, you're told, don't drown, turn around. Well, we got a story of a pregnant woman who did not listen to the warnings. We're going to have her rescue story coming up at 6:30, guys.
It's crazy when you see some of the damage, too, because if you're in, like, the Indy Metro and you didn't really see much, It's hard to believe that those winds were so strong. But, boy, I mean, that's incredible. That diner, too.
Right. There were no injuries reported. Yeah. That's how we're thankful for all this.
All right, Carlos, thank you very much. We'll see you here in just a bit.